Well, here we are at what I think of as a vintage bungalow. It's not much from the outside, but we wanted to make it feel urban chic on the inside. Let me show you how Stikwood helped me do just that. I'm Anne-Marie Barton with A&B Design, and today I want to talk about my love of this product back here on this wall called Stikwood. I went with the weathered wood in the white finish that gives much more of a vintage, rustic feel, and adding it into this more typical bungalow seemed like the perfect fit. It's easy for interior designers to consider using this product because it adds warmth and a sense of organic, natural to any room. But for you guys at home who might want a DIY project, this is one you really need to consider. It's easy because the wood is very thin. You only peel off the tape to adhere it. And to get it ready and prepped for your walls, you just need a saw and a roller just after you take the tape off to press it down on the wall evenly. It is so simple, and you feel kind of like a pro when you're done. My goal for this environment was to make it more rustic, more used, a little undercooked. I thought that we would strip the floors. They were all dark brown, shiny. I thought we'd get rid of the blue walls that they had in here and make it all very white. Generally, I'm always wanting to lighten up a space, and there's just no better way to do it than with this whitewash finish. When you add up all the textures in a room like this, you're looking at stripped wood floors. You're looking at open-ended wood-cut top on this dining table. And then you're seeing some of the gold on the tips of the chairs and the white. All of that kind of natural with the contrast of the modern is sort of the perfect segue to invite something like Stikwood into the room. So when I think of would I use Stikwood again? The answer is absolutely yes. It's easy, it's fun, it's empowering, it's Stikwood.